Okay guys, that's the part 2 of the project ESP-NOW two-way communication between ESP32 boards. Let's get started. Okay folks, so this is part 2 of this project. Why do I need part 2? Because on part 1 the delay to turn on and off the LEDs was bigger. Now it's fast to turn on and off the LEDs. Okay, almost no delay. Okay guys, so I had to add a 50 millisecond delay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I made this build. Okay, so starting with this board. Okay, so here I attached the cathode of this LED to ground. Okay, to ground through this 100 ohm resistor, and its anode is attached to GPIO D4. Now here with a pull-up resistor. Okay, a pull-up resistor. Okay, so that 10k ohm resistor is attached to 3.3 volts. Okay, of this board. Okay, 3.3 volts, and the other leg, okay, of this 10k ohm resistor is attached to GPIO D2. Okay, GPIO D2. Okay, through this push button. Okay, as you can see. Okay, the outer pin. Okay, now this outer pin of the push button, okay, is attached to ground. Okay, okay, now on this side of the breadboard with this board. Okay, this LED is attached to ground. Okay, through its cathode, okay, to ground. Okay, that's a 100 ohm resistor. Now the anode of the LED is attached to GPIO 4. Okay, of course the 10k ohm resistor, okay, is a pull-up resistor attached to 3.3 volts of this board. Okay, and the other pin or leg of the 10k ohm resistor is going to GPIO 2 through this push button. Okay, so and the outer pin, okay, this outer pin of the push button, okay, the one, okay, is attached to ground, so that we have a pull-up resistor. Okay, so that's our ESP-NOW two-way communication between two boards. Okay, we've here two boards, two ESP boards. Okay guys, the communication between these two boards is wirelessly. Okay, we are doing the communication wirelessly without any single wire. Okay, I think we have here a problem.
So the code is the same as in the previous video. So that's the MAC address of this board.
Okay, now let me show you the code.
It's the same code. Is the same code, guys. You just need to add the delay so that when you turn on and off the LED, it can be fast. Okay, so as you can see here, that's our program. Okay, you need just to add this delay. So you add this delay, okay, 50 milliseconds. Now going to this side, okay, so with the MAC address of the other board, okay, of this board, let me reconnect the board. Wait a few seconds. Okay, the MAC address of this board, okay, conf 7. Okay, guys, and yeah, we scroll down. So I'm going to provide the link of this, the code in the video description, okay, guys, so that you can download it. So here you add the 50 milliseconds delay also, okay. Like that. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.